How to add a black bars in Clipchamp. Want that cinematic movie look? Let's add black bars in Clipchamp in just a few clicks. Click on the Content Library tab on the left, then choose Shapes. Look for the line. That's what we will use for our bars. Drag them to the top layer of your timeline. Then resize and move it to the top of the screen like a bar. Duplicate it and place the second one at the bottom. Adjust the size until you get the perfect movie feel. Stretch the bars so they cover the entire length of your video. Want them on just one part? No problem. Just place them where you want. Preview the effect, and once you are happy with it, hit export. Boom! You have got that sleek black bar look, perfect for a trailer, vlog, or dramatic edits. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.